Hey guys, it's nice to see you here. Noticed I have a new background. I just wanted to stand today to talk to you. So let me know if you hear me well. I put a new mic here. I have my ring so that you see me better. So let me know where you are watching from when you watch this video, whether you're live or maybe also. Today, we're going to be talking about a big thing. It's like how to sell more on social media. And then I have my notes here to make sure I don't forget anything. And the main thing that we're going to be focusing on is really about content marketing. But before we get started, if this is something that you are interested in, to learn how you sell with ads or with no ads, with content marketing, I have a webinar coming up, and I put the link in the description, and I think I'm going to put it too in the comments, so check it out. So I don't want to forget that. So before this, so when it comes to getting more customers on the internet using social media, the big thing is, it's a huge question that I got actually in a group lately, and I'll share that little story a little later, but it's a huge question that really holds people back. Like, what is content marketing? And it's kind of scary because, what do we mean by that? It sounds like all the professional marketers are able to do content marketing, but you at the small business, an entrepreneur, a six-figure woman entrepreneur, can you do your own content marketing? So I'm going to kind of demystify for you what is content marketing. And you probably are right now creating content marketing for your own business. I get that question all the time, what should I do for content marketing? So people are worried about, most of the time not being sure what it is, content marketing, or maybe creating content that is not the right content, and it takes a lot of time, and it's a lot of time, a lot of money. A lot of people, come to me and it's like, how perfect should I be? Like, should I have a designer? Should I, hire people to do my photos? Well, I want to tell you something. Social media is about first being social and being visible. So the more visible you are with whatever you have, right now I have a phone and I have a light here, and I just got a new ring light. But before that, I didn't have my ring light. So you just put your face in front of a window and you talk to people, or you post, or whatever. So what is content marketing? Oh, yeah, and I want to share that little story because in one of my Facebook groups, I asked this question: what is the jargon word that you hear all the time about marketing that you wonder what it is about? So some people say CPC, which is cost per click. So how much Facebook makes you pay when you do an ad, and if someone clicks on your link, how much does it cost? So it's a CPC. So that's a jargon. The other jargon was content marketing. Content marketing, everywhere, content marketing. So I said, okay, let's demystify what content marketing is. Number one, when you're a business, there are chances that you sell something, and you want to sell it to people who don't know you yet, right? So you're going to go and use social media or online platforms to reach out to complete strangers and bring them into your ecosystem online, whether it's social media, your blog, your podcast, and then they're going to get to know you, and then they might trust you enough that they're going to give you their email. Maybe they're going to go to a Facebook group with you, or maybe they're going to buy from you, bang, with an ad or no ad, just because they follow you. So content marketing are tools that you create to communicate with those strangers who are going to discover you, whether they're searching for you or something like you on Google, or because they see an ad. So that's my point here. Content marketing, what is it? when you need to transform someone from stranger to a buyer and a returning buyer, this is exactly what it is. Usually, and let's make it simple because we all want simple. Most of the time, it's going to be a video or an image and a text. So whether you think of, everything you see on Instagram, there is usually an image, there is usually a video, and there is usually some words. That's content marketing. If you go to a blog, usually it's text written with a photo and a video. That's content marketing. Or if you're on a Facebook Live, right, like what we're doing right now, it is a video and someone talking. So content marketing is actually a mix of your videos, your images, and your text. Those are kind of things you create so that your stranger discovering you can learn from you, consume your content, and then get to know you, and then wants to get more from you and buy from you. So the goal of marketing, and when we say content marketing, is to create some photos, some videos, some text that are interesting for our audience that you can actually ramp up with some offers. So sometimes in your content marketing, you have to give so much value. You have to show up every day. You have to really consider people who discover you online like your new family. And you need to feed them every day with amazing content, your best content for free. And then you also have to make them offer on a continuous basis so that they know that they learn so much from you, and it's natural to hear about your offers as well. And the more they get to know you through your content marketing, the more they want to get to your next webinar. They want to download your next checklist. They want to buy your next offer. Or they want to give you their email, right? So content marketing works with offers and ads, right? So this is why, again, if you're really serious in building that content marketing and make it show up in the front of the right people, then this is, the new webinar that is coming up for you. And the link is around this video or in the biography if you watch it on Instagram. It will actually address that. What type of ad should I use to show my content to more people? What type of ads should who should see my content through ads? And what budget should I kind of put behind this, without spending a fortune? Because this is why people come to me. It's I don't have a big budget for ads, but you don't have to start with a big budget. And this is what I'm going to show you. So I hope that, to wrap it all, content marketing is just a bunch of images, of videos and text about what and how you can help people for free most of the time, and then until they're ready to buy from you or do more action, take more action with you in your business, right? So if you have any question, ask them, because I'm here to help you. I am here to support you. And thanks again. Don't forget to register for the webinar if you are really serious about learning about ads on social media, as well as how do you canvas all of this with your content so that you don't create things that nobody sees, because your stuff are amazing and you want more people to see it so that they take actions that drives them to buy from you without feeling salesy or weird or buy. So that's an ecosystem that you build with content marketing. A bunch of offers and then ads that kind of is the mayonnaise behind it. I hope it helps you. I'm Angélique BINET. I'm the founder of Social Media Love, and I help six-figure women entrepreneurs to unleash their inner rock star online so that they can monetize their message using organic, which means free, and paid traffic. Ciao, ciao.